significant weather advisory for central Weber, northeastern Davis, and west central Morgan counties until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm over Syracuse, or near Hill Air Force Base, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
I'm in this.
Half-inch hail and winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible. Locations impacted include Ogden, Layton, Hill Air Force Base, Roy, Clearfield, Catesville, Syracuse, Clinton, North Ogden, South Ogden, Washington Terrace, Riverdale, Hooper, South Weber, Marriott Slaterville, Uinta, Weber State University, West Haven, West Point, and Harrisville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 328 and 345. Interstate 84 between mile markers 82 and 97. If threatening weather approaches, take shelter in a sturdy building. Now here is the hazard